Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're kicking off a new three-part series where we're going to dive into remote desktop access, how to enable it, connect to it from Linux, and eventually how to ethically brute force it using Hydra and Kali Linux. Now, before we get into the hacking part, we've got to set up the environment. Today, we're starting with a simple task, enabling remote desktop on a Windows 10 virtual machine that we'll use as our target. This is all happening inside virtual machines, so if you haven't set up your own pen testing lab yet, I'll drop a link in the description to my VMware Home Lab series so you can follow along from the beginning. So let's get started. On your Windows VM, you're going to right-click the Windows icon, and then you're going to select System. And then you're going to scroll down to Remote Desktop, and then you're going to click here to enable. And you're going to accept this by clicking Confirm. And that's it. We have now configured this machine to accept RDP requests. All right, now that remote desktop is enabled, we're going to need this machine's IP address so we can connect to it from another machine. In the search bar, type CMD, click on Command Prompt, and we're just going to type in ipconfig. And here you can see the IPv4 address. Make a note of that because we're going to need it in the next video when we connect from Linux. And that's it for this one. In the next video, we'll switch over to our Linux Mint and Kali Linux VMs and connect to this window machine using Ramina, which is an open source RDP client. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions that you may have in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.